Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Today on Outdoors with Pawpaw, we're going to actually build something. We're going to assemble this. It is a kayak roof rack, a J rack. This is going to make it easier for us to take our kayaks down to the pond. Let's see what all we got. I'll put a link in the description to where I ordered these from. This is actually a 2-pack, but we're going to only install one or do one set. Comes as a set. 2 sets, I'm sorry. We don't need these just yet. We won't need them until we put the kayak on. That's our straps. And this is our mounting plates. Comes with all your hardware, and it even comes with a wrench. This is a 1/2-inch wrench. This is going over there. I got a 1/2 inch and a 13. 13 will also fit. So we're going to do that. So let's see where we start at. According to our instructions, this goes over here like so. Then this slides in here like so. Make sure you line up your holes. It uses carriage bolts. So we're going to do short carriage bolts on all 4 corners. Supposedly, if I can get them to go in. And then long carriage bolts in the middle. Then you will take your plate and install it with your ridge going front to back. Like so. Then you're going to take washers anti-loosening nuts. So then they call these an anti-loosening nuts. It's a lock nut. Goes on your short bolts. Remember, washer, then nut. Once you get them in, so that your stuff don't keep falling apart, tighten them down. If I was smart, I would have used the impact. Make it so much faster. But I'm sure glad I didn't use the wrench they sent with it. I like to make sure my bolts are good and tight. I don't want my stuff coming apart. And once you get them put together, you need 2 nuts, 2 washers, and 2 of these little screw things. Let's go over here to the 4-runner. Put one on. Unlock the door to the 4-runner so we can put one on. Place it where you want it at. I'll probably have to. We good? Place it where you want it at. I'll probably have to redo these. You put your thin piece over these 2 bolts. Then you do a washer and a nut. Maybe. Put a washer on it, then a nut, place it where you want it. I'm gonna move mine all the way out to the outside. Then we're gonna come to the back side, do the same thing. I like the ones that just clamp on a little better. And when you're tightening them down, make sure you tighten them down even. or as even as you can get them. Now, got that on there. Your little thumb screws get spun up to that nut and tighten down. This is to keep your nut from backing off. All right, so now we got both of the J-racks on top of the 4Runner. So, fun part, let's see if I can load this thing. I'm used to loading it upside down, so we're gonna go up with it. Set it down in the J-rack. Then tip it. Now the strapping part. These straps aren't big enough or long enough to double up. So I'm gonna try flipping that one over. Bring it down through here. These cinch straps are easy to use. Basically, squeeze the tab, feed the strap in that way. When it comes out, you pull it. A little rubber piece on the bottom is to keep the kayak protected. What I'm saying, these would be so much better if they attach to the J-racks. See if I can do the other side. Feed this part under. These are some cheaply made cinch straps. There, we're up there. It moves, but it don't move much. All right, well, that's the quick and simple how to put your J-racks together and install them on top of a 4Runner. Works this way on any luggage rack on a vehicle. They're not the best. I'll put the link in the description. The only thing I don't like about them is the cinch straps. I might change it up to some ratchet straps. Might build something, I don't know. But it'll do the job. So for now, this is Pawpaw saying, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.